Hello, welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2017 420D M Sport convertible. The car's presented in the fantastic Snapper Rocks Blue, and again we've got the lovely weather to show that off to you in its best today. We've got a really nice facelifted convertible. It comes equipped with some very nice options as well. It comes with the M Sport Plus package, as you can see, with the M Sport Plus brakes behind those brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloys. So down the side then you've got the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, YNT M performance decals. You can already see that standout Snapper Oyster Dakota leather, with the Snapper Rocks Blue. The front seats are both heated with the electric movement and memory. We've got the convertible comfort package, air collar system, so you've also got front heated seats and a heated M Sport steering wheel as well. Harman Kardon sound thanks to the M Sport Plus package. Really spacious 2x2 Isofix seat arrangement there. Central storage tray and armrest as well. As we go around towards the back then, again you can see the difference of having those brand new alloys makes to this wonderful looking Snapper Rocks Blue convertible. Round towards the back then, facelift LED rear lights, gloss rear spoiler and diffuser. If we pop open the tailgate, we will get the metal folded roof out of that boot area so you can see what sort of luggage compartment you do get, which actually for a convertible car is one of the largest in the class. And of course, having this handy little switch up here does allow you to partly lift the roof out of the storage tray. There you can see how big that boot space really is. And again, close that back down and fold everything nice and neatly away for yourself. And then we shall go round onto the driver's side, jump inside and show you some more of this car's interior features. So onto the driver's side then, again everything is in lovely clean and tidy condition. That Snapper Rocks Blue colour does look absolutely fantastic in this colour combination. Let's take a seat inside then, where we have got the digital cockpit option. Again, a very sought after feature. It's done in total mileage, it's covered just over 56,000 miles. If we put the car into sport, the display will change completely. You get that lovely large digital speedo and the glowing red display as well. It is the same for Eco Pro. We've got the professional wide nav and media, as you can see there, starting with the map system. So there you can see having that bigger screen is a really nice benefit as well. In terms of the Bluetooth then, we've got Bluetooth telephone and audio. Back over to the DAB section, where you've also got music collection, USB and Bluetooth line in. If we go across into the vehicle section, and we can show you all of the servicing requirements and service history. It's not due a service for 16,000. Service history wise, we've got really good service history with BMW, most recently at 53984 for a brake fluid, engine oil and microfilter service as well. Front heated seats, as I did mention. We've got the air collar system. I'm going to get the roof closed and show you how that looks towards the end of the video. You can do the roof on the move as well, so of course that can be done at speeds of 15 miles an hour below. So of course, should you get caught at a bit of a rain shower, or should it get a bit chilly for you, not generally going to be the case with the heated steering wheel, heated seats and air collar system, but nonetheless it is nice to know you can do it at a set of traffic lights. So that's the roof closed. Let's quickly jump out and show you how it looks with the roof closed up. Whether it's up or down, they are a striking looking car, especially so in this colour combination. If you want further information on the vehicle, simply check out the links I'll leave for you in the description. For the meantime though, thank you all again for watching our walk around. We hope you've enjoyed it and we shall look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, bye bye.